Alright, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to enable the hedge mode in your Binance Futures. How to enable the hedge mode in your Binance Futures. Now normally if you look at this very page in futures, you will discover that this is what we call the one-way mode. We call it the one-way mode. Now this is the default mode everybody have. Whenever you activate your futures account, or your futures account, whenever you activate it, what you have is the one-way mode. That's the default mode. All right. Now, if you want to activate or to enable the hedge mode, there are certain things you need to take into consideration, or you need to note down. And the most important thing here is you have to make sure you don't have an open position. Okay, if you look at this page now, I don't have any any position opened. Okay, I don't have any position opened. So if you have a position opened already, you can't activate or enable the hedge mode. You can't activate or enable the hedge mode. So you must not have a position opened if you want to enable the hedge mode. Let me say that again. If you want to enable the hedge mode, you must make sure you don't have a position opened. All right. So the default mode you have in your futures account is the one-way mode. Now we have the hedge mode. So the hedge mode enables you to have both long and short positions at the same time. In the hedge mode, okay, you can open the long and the short positions at the same time of the same trading pair. Let's say this trading pair now is ZEC USDT. All right, so with the hedge mode setting, I can open both long and short position of this same contract. Do you understand? But in the one-way mode, which is this very page you are looking at now, all right, you can't do that. You can only open a position in one direction at a time. You can't open a position in two directions, which is long and short. Okay, in your one-way mode, you can only do that at a time. So in this one-way mode, I can only open a long position, or I can only open a short position of the same contract, okay, of the same contract or of the same trading pair. But in the hedge mode, you can open both long and short positions of the same trading pair, which is ZEC, for example, for the purpose of this video, which is ZEC. So I can open long and open short at the same time of this same contract. You understand? But in the one-way mode, you can't do that. All right, so how do you enable the hedge mode? How do you enable it? All you have to do is you look at the top here. You see these three dots, that three dots that are horizontal. Look at it here. Can you see it? So you just click on it. Okay, at the top right hand side, that three horizontal dots, you click on it. All right, so you click on preferences here. When you click on preferences, all right, so you come over here where we have position mode setting. You can see it's on one-way mode. So this one-way mode is the default setting that everybody has when you activate your futures account. Is the one-way mode that you have. That's the default mode. All right, so you have to, if you want to enable the hedge mode, you have to follow these steps. All right, but first thing first, you have to make sure you don't have a position opened if you want to enable the hedge mode, because if you already have a position opened and you want to enable the hedge mode, it won't work. So take note of that. It won't work. All right. So over here, position mode setting, you click on this. You click on this arrow. Okay. Now here is the hedge mode. Here is the hedge mode. So you click on it. That's it. Success. So you just go back. All right. Good. So you can see we have both. We have a position both in two directions, which is the long and the short. All right. So this is how you enable the hedge mode. What you have in your account, in your futures account right now, which is the default mode, is the one-way mode. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to enable the hedge mode. You understand? So the hedge mode helps you to open both long and short positions at the same time of the same contract or of the same trading pair. And also another advantage of this hedge mode is that it helps you to minimize potential losses. Although it doesn't guarantee you 100% risk-free trading, okay, it doesn't guarantee you 100% risk-free trading, but at least it gives you, or it helps you to minimize potential losses if you know what you are doing. All right. So this is how you enable the hedge mode. So in our next video, I will run a trade using the hedge mode. Okay, I'll run a trade using the hedge mode. So for you to keep up with the next video, or to know when I will upload the next video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell button. Okay, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video on the hedge mode, on how to run a trade using the hedge mode.